Hello everybody. As I said, I'm gonna make little patties today with the pumpkin. So it's gonna be easy. You can use for everything like burgers and sandwiches, everything. Let's dive into it and I will show you what I have ingredients. As you know, in previous video I saved some pumpkins here. I have 5 pieces like that. I have 2 carrot like medium, 2 dessert spoon salt, 1 dessert spoon black pepper, 1 dessert spoon oregano, 1 dessert spoon baking soda, 1 full cup flour, 1 cup shredded mozzarella and cheddar mixed, 1 cup like that feta cheese, and a little bit corn flour. Also, I have 1 bunch of parsley. So let's make this happen. Now I will put all my ingredients together. Feta cheese.
Cheddar.
If you like feta, you can put more. I like more than feta. These guys. When you crack the eggs, just use separate bowl, because if one of them broken, all your ingredients is gonna be garbage. So now you're in safe hand. Just crack them to the separate bowl and see if it is broken or not. Just in case.
Ben dökebilir miyim?
Yes, of course. Then I'll put salt,
Spider.
black pepper, oregano, and baking soda. And then really thin, and I'll add them into the ingredients. It's going now. What I need to say to you, just put flour little, so I need to see how thickness. Now I'll mix all of them and maybe I will need 1 more cup flour. Because I have a lot, see? How beautiful it is. I'll add more flours. It was not enough. We did almost 2 bowls like that. So it's not important that much, because flour, every time you need the flour at the end. is ready. Now I will fry them. Now I'll use corn flour like that to bread it, to make bread it. It looks great, guys. I turned heat to medium after fry get hot. Make it in the medium. Medium is good every time. Alright guys, our patty is ready. I fried them and I made delicious burger with that. You may eat plain with some appetizer and yogurt. So I will make little pumpkin balls and it's gonna be like appetizer for you. So let's make it. Alright guys, our appetizer is ready too. I can't wait to taste it, so I'm so excited. Thank you for watching us. Please like, subscribe and share with your friend and click that notification bell. Thank you for watching. Until next video, you all have a great day.